Hello, welcome to the Rand School US morning briefing for today, 7th of October. European equities traded pretty much sideways at the open today, though ticked lower, led by commodity-based stocks as the dollar index gathered some upside momentum. Elsewhere, fixed income was lower early on, though did tick higher as stocks came under pressure. That was also following on from the worse than expected Eurozone GDP data that we saw. In the FX space, cable lost strength following an article in the Wall Street Journal saying that following recent strength in sterling, the currency could lose ground against its major pairs. Sterling yen had also been under significant pressure with general yen strength in early European trade, which did see the dollar yen pair hit a 9-month low at 88.01, though since then we have seen a complete reversal as US players started arriving at their desks, with the dollar moving higher and also the yen retracing entire gains against major pairs on the session. In terms of US equity specific news today, ExxonMobil has agreed to buy a $4 billion stake in an oil field off the coast of Ghana, and 3M has said it will spend $1 billion on acquisitions over the next 12 months. Elsewhere, for the financials, Morgan Stanley sees double-digit growth in its non-US wealth management operations over a 5-year period and would also consider acquisitions to achieve its target. Also, Citigroup is working on a sale of its controversial commodities unit in a move that could raise hundreds of millions of dollars, while AIG is still considering numerous offers for its Taiwan life insurance unit. Also of note, Sienna has offered around $550 million for Nortel's optical networking and carrier Ethernet assets, and Microsoft is reportedly ready to invest $9.5 billion in R&D this fiscal year, and adds that pace of acquisitions will match past years. In terms of earnings, we saw Costco Wholesale report better than expected EPS and revenue for the fourth quarter, while Monsanto and Yum both beat on their respective EPSs, with the latter also boosting its forecast. On the broker move front, we've seen quite a few upgrades today. Goldman Sachs Q3 share view raised 12% at Wells Fargo, and Bank of America also raised outperform from market perform at Wells. Google price target has been raised to $565 from $490 at Oppenheimer. Coca-Cola raised to buy from hold at Deutsche Bank, while Cisco Systems also upgraded to outperform from market perform at William Blair. So just looking ahead, it is quite a light calendar today. We'll see the release of the weekly DOE numbers later on, followed by US consumer credit, as well as the Fed's outright Treasury coupon purchase and a $20 billion 10-year notes auction out of the US Treasury. Furthermore, after market today, we'll be looking out for earnings from Alcoa. They are the first Dow component to report Q3 earnings.